Lectora Online is an online solution for teams of users to collaborate on web-based projects. You can create and store content, keep team members informed of project responsibilities, and monitor project progress throughout its development. You and your team can access Lectora Online anywhere, anytime, using your favorite browser on a Macintosh or Windows PC. Work with team members across state lines, time zones, or even continents from a central, secure location. Each user of Lectora Online belongs to a private organization. Your content and media can only be shared amongst organization members. Each member can serve in one of 4 different roles: administrator, project manager, user, or reviewer. These roles determine the permissions members have within a Lectora Online project. Let's log in to Lectora Online and take a closer look. The dashboard serves as the homepage for accessing all that you can do with Lectora Online. The left menu area provides a list of the recent projects you've accessed and the various tasks you can complete. The tabbed area of the dashboard enables you to access the assignments that have been assigned by you or have been assigned to you. You can also access notification settings for staying informed about project changes. Access the list of users within your organization and view their current online status. Need to get in touch with someone on your team? Initiate a chat with one of your team members by clicking the corresponding chat icon. Projects you create with Lectora Online are referred to as titles. Begin a new title by clicking the Create a New Title link from the list of tasks. This launches the Lectora Online publisher, and you have several options to help you begin your new title. A title wizard will walk you through the process of creating your content structure using the selected interface. Choose to create a new title if you want to start your project from scratch, or select from the hundreds of available templates. These templates provide a predefined interface on which you can build your title's content and structure. After you've made your initial selection, the publisher interface is revealed. There are 3 main sections of the interface. The toolbars provide access to the objects, tools, and wizards that can be used to create your title's content. The left-hand pane displays the structure of your title. Think of this as a project explorer for your title, similar to what Windows Explorer is for your computer. Within this left-hand pane, you can drag and drop objects to rearrange them within your title, copy and paste objects from one place to another, and access object properties, and rename objects for easier identification. The content area is the canvas on which you will design and preview your content. Once you have created a title, you can share it. The title need not have any content within it, it just simply must exist. To share a title, click the Manage Titles link on the Lectora Online dashboard. Select the title you want to share and click the Share button. The right side of the window is updated to reflect the current status of the title, the available users within your organization, and the current team members that have access to the title. Use this Manage Titles window anytime you want to update the status of a shared title or modify the team of users that have access to it. This includes adding a reviewer to the list of team members. Reviewers will not be able to edit the title, but they will be able to view it and leave their feedback. When a reviewer is added, he or she will receive an automatically delivered email notifying him or her of the request to review a title, along with the appropriate information for accessing Lectora Online. Now that you have shared the title, you can begin delegating tasks to the members of your team. Administrators and project managers have the ability to create assignments. Each assignment is associated with a specific title and has a status of its own. The default status for assignments is New. This status can be updated by the recipient to reflect acceptance of the assignment and its completion. The originator can then verify that the assignment has been completed to his or her satisfaction. Select the recipient of the assignment and specify additional details as necessary. Assignment reports and title reports enable you to quickly access a summary of titles, assignments, and their status. Now that you have created a title, shared it with team members, and delegated assignments, it's time to begin developing the title. Lectora Online's version control system is enabled once a title is shared, and users must check out the portion of the title they want to edit before they can begin making changes. When that portion of the title is checked out, no other user will be able to work on it. Check out the smallest portion of the title possible so that others can work on a different part of the title concurrently. Each title is structured like a book. The pages are the physical pages your users will see, while chapters and sections provide a means of organizing those pages. Create the structure of your title by clicking the chapter, section, and page icons at the far left of the toolbar. Lectora Online's publisher supports nearly all types of digital images, audio and video, including Flash animations. Media objects must be imported into the title. For example, to insert a Flash animation, click the Add Animation icon on the toolbar and import the animation from your computer's files. If you've spent some time collecting and organizing your media prior to working on the title, this makes the process even easier. Lectora Online's media library provides access to a number of clip art images and even enables you to upload a zip file containing your own media. You can access the media library directly from within the publisher or from the Lectora Online dashboard. Any media within the media library is accessible to all of the users within your organization. Insert objects directly from the media library into your title. Additional objects you can add to your title include text blocks, which enable you to type text or copy and paste text from an existing document. Buttons, which enable you to create dynamic buttons with the use of images. Menus, progress bars, form objects, and more. If you're creating content geared towards e-learning, the publisher's test and question objects enable you to create gradable tests containing various question types. Test results can be sent to a learning management system, a custom database, or can even be emailed. In addition to these objects, the action object enables you to create endless interactivity within a title. Each action is comprised of a trigger, the action itself, and a target. The Actions palette enables you to create interactivity that can include moving and resizing objects on a page, making objects appear and disappear, and communicating with Flash animations. All of this is possible using only the Action object. No programming is required. Additional tools and wizards make creating a title even easier. For example, the Button Wizard enables you to quickly create textual buttons or select from a variety of predefined buttons. The Notes tool enables users, including reviewers, to leave feedback within a title. Notes will be visible within the title, but can also be collected within title reports. The Lectora Online publisher works in two different modes. Edit mode is the mode you will use when creating your title, while Preview mode enables you to preview the functionality of your title. Use the tabs at the bottom of the content area to toggle between these two modes. What you see when you preview your title is the same thing your users will eventually see. When you have finished making changes to the title, check in your changes. Specify the changes you've made by leaving a comment. Should you ever need to revert the title back to a previous state, these comments will enable you to determine what changes have been made. Content created with the Lectora online publisher can be published directly to the web or to a SCORM or AICC-compliant learning management system. The publishing process checks your title for errors before presenting the publishing options. These options enable you to specify the security of the content, the compatibility with learning management system standards, and provides the ability to directly FTP the published content to a web server. When the process is completed, you can preview your finished project or download it to your local computer. Whether you are developing a daily blog, a sophisticated website, or an interactive training module, you can use Lectora Online to create, share, and manage your web-based projects.